Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. What exactly is the difference of two squares? Well, it doesn't help that it's got two names. Sometimes it's referred to as DOPS, the difference of two squares. Sometimes it's referred to as DOPS, the difference of a perfect square or the difference of perfect squares. Now, this is an example here of what I'm talking about. And I just jotted down a quadratic trinomial here, and you can immediately see the difference. This part of this is missing here. So we have an x squared value and we have a number. How this gets its name is because this number has a negative sign in front of it. And if we just ignore the negative sign for a moment, just pop the pen over that. So 25 is 5 squared. The square root of 25 is 5. And another example of one of these might be this, x squared minus 100. And we can write these as x squared minus 5 squared. It's not negative 5 squared, it's just minus 5 squared. Or x squared minus 10 squared. That's 25, that's 100. Now, I don't know, I hope that's helpful, but what it allows you to do is it allows you to see how I get to my next step. So if we take this, which we can write as this, if we factorize this thing, we get the following: x plus 5, x minus 5. So this factorizes into two brackets. And how we do that is we take the square root of this number, this expression, x and x, and we take the square root of 25, which we know to be 5. But we want a result that's negative 25, not positive 25. So how we get that is we get positive 5 here and negative 5 here. Now, when we expand this, what we get is x squared plus 5x minus 5x minus 25. Now, these two expressions here cancel each other out, and so we wind up with x squared minus 25. So this is the factorized form of this, and you can see how it would get its name: the difference of two squares, or the difference of perfect squares, because this looks like a perfect square. Just to remind you, a perfect square would look like this: x plus 5, x plus 5, and it would expand to something that looks different to this. So, what is the difference of two squares? Well, it is two squares with the difference being the minus sign. And how you factorize these is you find the square root of this and the positive and negative root of this number. Okay, so I think we'll stop there. I'll put out another video with some more complex examples of this in it, and I hope that this has cleared up some confusion about what these things are. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.